This is Isabelle Tierney of the Stress Reset. If you are in the stress response right now, let's shift you out of it in minutes. Let's begin by checking yourself on the stress reset scale. Where are you at on a 1 to 10, 1 being all the way stressed, 10 being fully into well-being? Notice any signals that let you know. How is your breath? What's your mindset like? Your emotions? If you are finding yourself in the red or the yellow zone, let's shift you into green right now by using our breath. One of the signals of being in the stress response is that our breath becomes shallow and fast. So let's counter that effect by deepening and slowing our breath. Taking deep, slow abdominal breaths in and out. What can also be helpful is as you take these deep abdominal breaths, say the words, I am safe. I am safe. Reminding yourself that the stress you're experiencing in this moment is not an indication that you are in actual danger. It's just the way your brain is interpreting reality right now. And reminding yourself that it is only from a place of groundedness and spaciousness and well-being that you will run your life most effectively. So keep taking deep, slow abdominal breaths. Grounding, centering, rebalancing your nervous system. And even as you open your eyes and go on with your day, stay connected to this slower breathing, to the sense that you are actually safe in every moment. And take it with you through whatever difficulties you encounter in your day.